Hello y'all, how's it going? Today I'm going to show y'all how I set up my reticulated python's cage. His name is Shango. Currently I have it set up where we have logs for the hides underneath the log. Shango could go in during the day and hide out. Also there's a log right here which pretty much is for going inside during the day. I gave it a little climb. I wanted to make it, you see a lot of people having racks or keeping their large constrictors inside racks or things of that nature, but it's just a pet. It's not meant for breeding or anything. Simply supposed to have it so he gets interactive care, move around. Now, reticulated pythons are nocturnal. However, it is excruciatingly hot in my apartment right now. So Shango likes to come out and stay inside the water. And I got him a bigger water dish simply because of that. Now, something you guys should have is a temp gun. Now the temp gun, you pretty much have to check the temperatures anywhere you want inside the cage. So you can monitor where it is, and you see it changes. I do not have a heat lamp on this cage currently because it's 80 degrees plus in here, and for those temperatures he doesn't need a heat lamp. It's just gradient temperature everywhere, and because it's a smaller enclosure, the heat will pretty much stay uniform. Now, if you notice at the top, I'm trying a plastic solution for it. So this is pretty much to keep the humidity in. However, that wasn't working. The problem with my top is it's a screen top. Screen lets a lot of humidity and water vapor out, so it's hard to keep it so that their bodies get as much moisture and water as needed. Now, I'm not gonna go inside the cage and pick up Shango. Now, he's not dangerous at all. It's actually pretty much a puppy. Generally, I have this giant water bitch for him to just relax in. As you can see, it's relaxing right now, just laying in there. A common fact of reticulated pythons is they love water. It is one of their better features. They can actually hunt in water. Now, if you look over, I have a cage for my mangrove monitor over here, and whenever Shango is out, his favorite thing to do is to go and try to get inside that cage, which I'm never gonna let happen. Either he's gonna attack the monitor or the monitor's gonna attack him, but either way, it's not gonna be good for anyone involved. As you can see, the setup's not that difficult. It's a 20-gallon cage. Shango, I must state, is currently a baby. I'm feeding him about 2 times a week, every 3 days. I alternate, or he just had a shed, and I'm going to be more cautious of trying not to accelerate his growth. So trying to scale back to at least every 6 days of feeding him, and I feed him fuzzy rats. And that's all. Please leave any questions or comments in the description, and please like this video.